Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of manual ticket creation. In this video, you will learn how to create a ticket from scratch. As mentioned before, in ServiceTonic, we have many ways of creating a ticket, but in this video, we will focus on how to create a ticket manually. So let's get to it. No matter how we create or modify a ticket, whether it's quickly, normally, or generated from a template, when we access it, we will be placed in the general ticket editing layout where we can modify all the parameters we need, even if they already have default values. In this video, we will see the different options that ServiceTonic offers. Now, let's create a new ticket through Service Desk. As we can observe, once we access the ticket creation layout, we can add a title, contact information, a description, or even classify the ticket for better organization. So, let's generate an example for a clearer explanation. Let's imagine that a client notifies us by phone that their monitor is not working. To resolve this, we will open a new ticket. For this, we will begin by linking the contact to the ticket, adding it in the upper left part of the screen, as we can see. Now that we have the contact details linked to the ticket, we will perform a search of their registered devices and link the affected device to the ticket. We do this by clicking on the link section, CI, and then we search for the monitor linked to the contact and proceed to attach it to the ticket. We select the correct device, and now it is linked to the ticket. Now that we have the device linked, we can continue with the title. For example, the monitor is not working. Since the issue is with the monitor and the contact wouldn't be able to work without it, we will assign a higher priority by changing the drop-down value from normal to high. As we can see, changing the priority also changes the color of the top banner for easier identification. I need to remind you that this color is totally customizable. Next, we will continue with the ticket categorization, indicating, for example, that this ticket is an incident of the hardware type with a subcategory like monitor. Now that we have it linked and categorized, we could proceed with geolocation if needed, using the affected CI as the point of reference. And then we will also assign the ticket to the responsible agent. Lastly, the action, the information that the contact really needs to solve their problem. We access the History tab and proceed to add a new action. Since this is a generic incident, we can use automatic responses from similar incidents or from our knowledge base. This time, we will use an automatic response that includes a link to our knowledge base to help the user resolve their issue. To do this, we first select the automatic response, and then we proceed with the link from our knowledge base. We access the vertical ticket menu, we click on Tools, Knowledge Base. We open the knowledge base and all related entries will appear. In case none of these satisfy our needs, we can perform a generic search, for example by entering the word monitor. We select the topic we find most appropriate for the client, copy it, and paste it into the ticket response. Finally, we add the agent's signature and we now modify the ticket status, leaving it pending a response from the user. Lastly, we add with the checkboxes who we want to notify apart from the contact, such as the assigned agent, so they know the ticket is now their responsibility. Finally, we send the ticket, and that's it. The ticket has been correctly generated, assigned to the agent, and linked to the hardware. And this concludes the second part of the ticket overview video in ServiceTonic. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can contact our support team through the usual channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.